Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a language foundation with Berlitz step by step clearly. Begin by identifying your language learning goals. Determine why you want to learn a new language. Consider whether your focus will be on speaking, writing, or both. Assess your current language proficiency. Evaluate your strengths and weaknesses in the language. Research the Berlitz language programs available. Visit the Berlitz website to explore course offerings. Choose the format that best fits your learning style. Options may include in-person classes, online courses, or private lessons. Select a course that aligns with your goals. Sign up for a placement test if available. This will help you find the right starting point. Once enrolled, familiarize yourself with the course materials. Review any textbooks, workbooks, or online resources provided. Dedicate regular time to study and practice. Consistency is key to building a strong foundation. Engage with your instructor during classes. Ask questions to clarify any challenging concepts. Participate in group activities to enhance your speaking skills. Utilize Berlitz's immersive learning techniques. This will help reinforce language acquisition through real-life scenarios. Incorporate daily practice into your routine. Use language apps or online resources to supplement your learning. Practice speaking with native speakers or fellow learners. Explore language exchange opportunities in your community. Monitor your progress by setting small, achievable milestones. Celebrate your achievements as you reach new levels of proficiency. Stay motivated by reminding yourself of your initial goals. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.